tip. She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you?
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the worst time to make this video, but I just want to make this video because the weather looks kind of beautiful. Well, it's not beautiful, it's seriously snowing. Yes, I'm going to show you guys in a bit. This is 8:08 in the morning and everywhere is still dark. Trust me, it looks a little bit bright because the snow is drizzling everywhere, but trust me, it's still very dark. Yes, most people love this season, but trust me, I don't like this season at all. I don't. But most people like this season, but I don't like this season one bit because it's cold. You have to wear your hand glove, you have to wear your head this thing. You know, I don't like this season at all. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Yes, I just came out from the garage now. I took my car there because I need to change the car to winter tire. I did it very late, but obviously I need to do it, but I did it very late. I need to change the tire to winter tire because if I don't and the police catches me driving that car, they are gonna fucking fine me a huge sum of money. So I need to change it to winter tire. So I took it to the garage and I left there now. That's why I'm actually outside and snow is falling on me. My husband is gonna go there later in the day and change the tires for me. Then when I'm done from where I am, I go and pick up the car. So guys, this is it anyways. I'm going to show you guys what it really looks like right now. Like it's fucking snowing. So just stay tuned and I'll show this to you guys when I come back, okay?
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love.
Guys, this is it. I don't know if you can really see it well. The depth is actually very... You can't obviously see it so well, but it's really snowing. Like it's fucking snowing. It's back to what I was saying. Let me just give you guys a little story. Yeah, before I came to live in abroad, like as a married woman with kids, I usually travel to abroad. Yes, I usually do some vacations outside the country, and the first time I experienced darkness during the day, I'm like, is the world coming to an end? What the hell? You know, most times when I travel, then I travel during the summer because of course it's during the summer you wear anything you like and you actually enjoy that you traveled abroad, right? There's a construction going on down there, so ignore the noise. So then I started living abroad, so I experienced the fucking damn bad winter. There was darkness till 10 because during winter there's usually darkness in the morning and darkness starts again 3 p.m. There's darkness, you know, just very short daytime that we have. The first time I experienced darkness, I'm like, what the hell is this? Like, is the world coming to an end? It's so funny how big this world is and different things happens in different parts of the world. It's so funny, but that is just it, guys. And when my mom came, the first time she experienced it, she was like, what the hell, is the world coming to an end? This is 9 a.m. in the morning and it's still very dark. And when she experienced from 3 p.m. in the evening, everywhere was dark and people were still going about their various businesses and still feeling cool, and she was like, what sort of thing is this? But that is just it, guys. I just love this snow. This is the first snow of the year that is actually falling very well, and I decided to capture it on the video and I love it. I wish I could just capture what is going on right now. Let me try, guys.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush.
Guys, I think I have to go now because when this snow is falling on your body gets wet. It's lock, so it gets wet at the end of the day when the snow stops, when you're outside there it's not snowing. So guys, I'll talk to you guys much later. Yes, I'll talk to you guys much later, okay? Yeah.